Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Cocaine is snorting. Actions of cocaine. Cocaine is used as a local anesthetic. It is a powerful CNS depressant for short time followed by depression. Signs and symptoms. There is cocaine rush. That is, there is a stage of excitement and euphoria which lasts for 30 to 60 minutes. This will result in crush, which is followed by intense depression, and then cocaine. On using cocaine, it results in rush or stage of excitement. Treatment.
thank you and thank you for watching.